welcome to your Lancaster Home TV. I'm Jeff Gagan, and today we're in Denver, Pennsylvania with Gary Seidel of Fulton Mortgage Company. Gary, welcome.
Hi Jeff, nice to be here.
Now you guys know that I'm always after you to get your mortgage pre-qualification done early. Well, Gary's the person to do it with. Gary, what does a mortgage rep do anyway?
It's a great question, Jeff. What a mortgage rep does is sit down with a client up front, go through their financial ability to purchase a home and get a mortgage, go through their credit. We help figure out what their credit scores are and how that dictates into the loan, and help figure out what's the best payment and the out-of-pocket that they have to apply towards the house, and help them basically qualify to get a home.
Okay, can you give us a couple of specifics on the things that you do at the meeting?
Typically at the meeting we would explain to you the differences between a conventional and FHA and some of the other products that are available. We would explain kind of what changes are coming in the marketplace. As you know, the government's always changing things. So we try to keep you abreast of that. So if your decision-making process is now or in the future, you at least know what is coming and how rates might change or things might change in the future. So what we basically just try to do is go over the product with you and explain so you understand why you're getting a mortgage and why you get that type of mortgage for the house that you're looking at.
Mm-hmm. And as far as the credit scores are concerned, it's sometimes, in my experience at least, people's credit scores generally might be a little worse than they think they are. So, how do you get them started on that?
Well, typically in the first sit-down, we will pull your credit and go over it with you, try to correct any inaccuracies, which is fairly common on credit reports, and explain to you what we need to do and how we need to do that to help you move forward. And that's part of the pre-approval then, Jeff, because then we're able to get them completely approved, and they know when they make the offer on the house, it's like having a credit card, they purchase the home.
Okay, that's a beautiful thing, isn't it?
It's awesome when they can get a house and things go smooth. And having everything up front also allows the transaction to go much smoother and have them have no anxiety during the process and
now,
enjoy it.
Is there anything in 2011 as we close that you might want to share with everybody as far as, is it getting harder or easier, or?
Well, it's kind of getting easier because we're limited on products, but it is going to get harder because the government's tightening down the screws a little bit on the ratios of what you can qualify for and some other things. But we would cover that in the pre-approval so there would be no surprises for them. But basically there's going to be a couple changes that I would encourage you to look at your qualifications today.
Okay, and if you have any questions for Gary, and I encourage that you get a hold of him and look at your numbers and see how you look for 2011. Gary, what's the best way to do that?
You can contact me on the internet at Seidel, S-E-I-D-E-L, at FultonMortgageCompany.com, or call me on my cell phone, 717-629-7257.
Very good, and you can reach me at Jeff@yourlancasterhome.com. Thanks and have a great day.
Have a great day.